This is an optional video for question 9. Question 9 says, in your opinion, is the author a climate change skeptic or a believer that climate change is an immediate threat to our society? Use textual evidence to support your opinion. Okay, so first of all, skeptic, if you don't know that word means somebody who doubts or doesn't believe, right? So if I came into school and was like, guys, everyone in here is getting $1 million, you would be skeptical or be a skeptic because you'd be like, Ms. Zach is playing us. She ain't giving us $1 million. Okay, obviously a believer is somebody who believes something. So are they a skeptic or a believer that climate change is an immediate threat to our society? Think about the words they're using. Think about that Picasso painting in terms of analyzing the words they use. Do they seem to be supporting this youth movement or supporting those who oppose the youth, right? The youth support climate change, action against climate change, and there are some other people it talks about who think the youth are overreacting. Which side of the argument are they on? And find a piece of evidence that supports that in here. All right, good luck.